bam, just got this. It's a car phone vent thing. All right, let's open it up. Let's unbox this bad boy. It's got, oh, here we go. Oh, very interesting. So they put a lot of effort into the box design. You ready? Here it is, box design, lots of effort. There it is. All right, so it's, you know, one of those where we gotta stick the thing in there. Of course, we gotta get the thing out of here. Box. All right, here it is. So first of all, you gotta unhook this, right? Just like that. All right, you got it off. Then you gotta stick it over the nub here like that. Take a look, put it over the nub, right? With the threads this way. Then you're gonna push your ball into this hole. You're gonna hear a click, and then you can tighten this down. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now this, I do believe, does it expand? I guess it's just like that, and it's got a hook around it, part of your vent, and then these two things kind of like hold it there. And I think that these, you just gotta, oh, here, there's a button. They pop out, right? So they go in like that, pop out like that. All right, there's that button. So squeezing them in, pressing the button, and that's it. And I think this might, oh yeah, this goes down. And they gave you some instructions. But who likes to read instructions? Let's put a phone in here and see what happens. All right, so that's a Pro Max, right? So it fits pretty good. Look, works. Now we just got to see if we can figure out how this would go in the vent in my car, because I don't know if it's going to work or not. But you know what's cool about this? You could use this just as a stand, like if you wanted to set your phone down like this. You follow me? That works pretty good, man. So dual purpose. You could put it in your car, or you could use it as a stand. So yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I try to put this in, you know, my vent in my car. I'm not quite sure if it's going to work or not, but we'll find out.